Hey everybody, this is Snook, and welcome to my channel. Today we are opening the Magickal Earth. It is a box that gives you a daily horoscope and a whole bunch of other things that go along with it. We will get into the pricing at the end. One of the neat things about this month is I went to open it to take the box out of the package so I wouldn't have to crinkle stuff and bug everybody, but there is so much in this box this month that there's something in here, and I did not peek. So what was so big that it wouldn't fit in the box? Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Mandala Journal by Sacred We. So this is what it looks like. A mandala journal that offers tools for the daily record of physical, emotional, and energetic feelings that circulate within us, women, making us more aware and conscious of our body. By observing nature, we are capable of assuming our own cycle with more devotion and in a completely natural manner. It's like a workbook. The moon mandala. And then gives you all the instructions that you need. The influence of the moon in women's lives. The lunar cycle. Phases of the moon. So this is to teach us all about the moon. I think that's really neat. And then it has places for you to take notes. It has different charts in it where you can take notes too. This is really interesting. So it's a workbook that you can use all month long and help you with your life. I like that. I like that a lot. I like learning stuff. And that looks like it's a fun way to learn something, or use what you already know, but apply it in a different way to see it in more of a physical form in different colors, because there looks like there's color coding that you're supposed to be doing in there and stuff. So that's really neat, and that was a really great surprise. So now we get to the box, and this looks exactly like the same size and everything of last month's box. Beautiful little thank you sticker, which is a flower in the purple paper. And we'll open that. And we will start, and I will just show you what the box looks like when you open it up. It starts from August 22nd to September 21st. They mail it out to make sure that you get it in time. This month is about self-care, learning, thoughts, and ideas. As we start our journey towards the end of summer, enjoy this month to its fullest. Transformation is coming. That change between summer and fall. All of your crystals have been cleared and were charged on the last full moon. It says, happy summer, everybody. Reflect on what has grown and what remains to be gathered later in the fall. I really like that. Then you get, holy cow, there's a ton of stuff in here. In this little packet is your horoscope. When you sign up for the box, you tell them what sign you are. Two things come in here. One is the booklet, and then we're going into Virgo season. This is beautiful. So this would be your everyday horoscope book for the month coming up. And then it also gives you, for your sign, your horoscope for the whole month, which I think is really neat. It gives you the Aquarius monthly horoscope, and it gives you the daily horoscope. I like that. I like that a lot. It's very personal, and I found myself returning to the monthly one to read it more than once. So that always comes in its nice own little package, which I really like too, because you can save them up, which I think is really neat. Each month, you get a tarot card pulled for you. What they do is they literally know that this box is being sent to me, think about me, and pull a tarot card. This month I got the Five of Cups. I'm trying to get it so that it's not glary. Okay, and then you get a piece of paper about what this card means. I'm going to read a little bit. Hindsight is much clearer than foresight, and present-day wisdom is gained from the mistakes of the past. And that's just the end sentence down here at the bottom. So I really like this. I found that last month's was really made me think and really hit a chord in a really, I was not expecting it. This month is doing the exact same thing. So these cards that are being pulled for you, again, it just depends on what you believe in, what you want to take out of it, and I really like this box. Now, next, I don't even know what to grab next. There's so much in here. I pulled out a whole bundle of colored pens. So we have like a rainbow, 3, 6, 7, 8 pens. Let's see what this has to say about them. Oh, we included the pens so you have all of the tools needed for your journey of understanding. These pens go with the book. That's really cool, and they're gel pens. And this card says about the book, journal and workbook all in one, not just for women. Everyone can benefit for understanding how the moon affects us. Enjoy this journey of self-discovery. Oh, that's neat. This is what I love about this box. It really, they give you everything that you need, not just a little bit. I'm excited about that. Next, we got enjoy your gift of summer, put under your pillow, in a drawer, or closet. And it smells, actually this smells good. It doesn't smell like, I don't know, that weird lavender that gives me a headache. This actually smells really good. So you get, and this is filled, absolutely filled. Next, okay, we got a box, Tree of Life Incense Diffuser. Tree of Life Incense Diffuser. Use this as you work on your mandala journal. Oh, okay. So it comes with a tea light that you can just slide it in. There's a big opening in the back here. This has this, and you can set it on there's a piece of cork. You can set it on that. So if you're putting it on a table. Now what are these? Oh, it's a square. I wonder if you just set that on top like that in there, and then the heats that up for the aroma. Light candle, place on the exotic incense diffuser. Diffuser is specially designed to reach the adequate temperature for aroma diffusion. Place incense brick on the copper plate. Allow candle to burn for 45 to 60 minutes. Diffuser will be hot. Do not touch. Blow out candle and allow to cool. Incense brick will turn deep black and hard on usage. It will not melt. Discard used incense brick with biodegradable waste. This is really neat. They gave you 2 different scents, one being lavender and one being royal sandal. This is what I love about this company. Now we have our crystals, and then I think we have finally gotten to the end of this. Just double check. Get 3 crystals in this month. We got 2. Tiger's Eye is the most ancient talisman, mysterious and powerful, revered and feared. An all-seeing, all-knowing eye, thought to grant wearer the ability to observe everything, even through closed doors. This one is, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but It's got that really 3D tiger's eye effect in it. So that's really pretty. Next, in this bag, we have Gray Botswana Agate. This stone has so many amazing properties. This stone will give you the strength and courage to find resolutions instead of focusing on the difficulties. It can balance your physical, emotional, and intellectual energies. It will reassure you that everything is going to be all right and that you will come out of this experience stronger and better. We can't ask for more than that. And then this last one is unbelievable. I would never wait till you see it. This is what the last one is, and it's heavy. An inspirational stone that will encourage a peaceful break from being an adult in this crazy world. It gives you the guidance you need to balance between following your dreams and your daily responsibilities. Create a daily meditation ritual with a specific intention or goal in mind. Apatite is particularly useful because it works to magnify and strengthen your intention, giving you the clarity of mind necessary for deepening your focus and awareness. And apatite palm. And it fits right in the palm of your hand, like perfectly. Let's go over everything that we got. We get the card that tells you everything. We got 3 different stone and crystals that are really nice, and the cards that go with them are really nice. We got a really, this smells better than any normal lavender I've smelled, and it's chocked of lavender. So we got a really nice summer lavender sachet that we can put in a drawer or a closet or under your bed, whatever you want to do with it. We got a really cool total incense burner with 2 bricks already in there and 1 tea light. So if you really like it, then you can get more from a store that's close to you or buy it online from this store, which I really like. We got our card, our tarot card that was pulled just for us with our explanation. We got our horoscope, which has our daily horoscope and our monthly horoscope in here in the form of the Virgo book with the real pretty artwork on it. We got the workbook to find out about the moon phases, and we have the gel pens to help us color coordinate like they want in the book. And I think it doesn't get better than that. There are different versions of the Magickal Earth box. For $11.67 a month, you can get the Magickal Earth Basic Crystal Only set. For $12.08 a month, you can get the Astrology and Tarot set. For $24.17, you can get the Magickal Earth Essential set. For $39.99, you can get the Magickal Earth Premium set, and that is the one that I've gotten. The $39.99 a month would be if you would buy 12 months worth. If you go on the monthly plan, it's $49.99. So which box you get is totally up to you, and I like getting the premium. I like getting the crystals. This box gives out really good vibes. For me, it's a very special box, and it's up to you. Hopefully you had fun and this was interesting for you. I know I love it. So thank you so much for stopping and spending some time with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!